That feeling when your client has done all the necessary research, when your client is about to make payment for a house, and only for you guys to find out the house is sold out. That is how I'm feeling right now. After the inspection, we took the documents. I handed it over to my clients to buy the house. Anyway, this is a 5 bedroom, fully detached house in Ikeja GRA. As I was saying, only for us to, and this same client has been looking for a house for like 2 months now. This particular location with his budgets to match. It's one thing to like a place, and it's another thing to have that budget of that house. So here's the 5 bedroom, fully detached duplex. 2 units are here. One is gone, is remaining one. I wasn't even feeling myself when I was doing this video because I got the call from the owner, and the owner said someone has already made payment. The person came that day, saw the house, because he told the person that the house is gone, somebody's already making payments. The person made payment for the house. The person didn't pay the complete money. The person made the down payments just to tie the house down. While my client was trying to complete the transaction in the bank, we got the call that the house is sold out. So that's life. So you see this compound, very spacious, is in the heart of Ikeja. 5 bedroom, fully detached duplex. We have 2 units. 1 unit is gone. We have one more unit here remaining. That's how it is when it comes to business, when it comes to transaction. Is money for hand first. So the person that pays first gets to have the product. So the developer, or the builder rather, wasn't sure if that money was going to come in. It's when they see money. So this person that came said he was going to make the payments that moment, and it was kind of enticing and for the owner, so the owner had to sell it, which that is how business is anyway. So see, the compound is spacious. Is almost completed. This house is almost completed. Comes with a BQ, boys quarter, all rooms and suites. So let's check inside. Let's see how it is. The house has not been painted yet, so it's just the rough work that we are seeing. This is the ante room, and this door that I'm looking at is the visitor's toilet. Yes, it's open now. It's the visitor's toilet. Oh, I'm just feeling bad for this client because I just got off from the phone with him not quite long, and he was like, "Are you sure they've paid for it? Are you sure they've paid for it?" Yes, they've paid for it. All I need to do is look for another house for him. So that's my job. I would have to go to the market again and be on the lookout. So this is the sitting room. Let's take a view of the sitting room. Sitting room is spacious. The dining area is on my left, the next bend to my left. That's the sitting room. The house is spacious. It may not be as spacious as you want it, but it's spacious for a standard house, and it's standard. So if you want this house, is selling, is in the market, 1 unit is sold, is a fully detached duplex. This is the dining area. The kitchen is very spacious, very, very spacious. And this is me walking in reluctantly because of how I'm feeling, because of my clients. But I just gotta do my work. I gotta be here. I gotta show my face. I have to be here for my new prospects. Spacious kitchen. I remember I said the house is not yet completed. Is give or take 95% completed. The painting, the interior finishing is not yet done. The painting is not yet done. So see the kitchen, very spacious. Everyone's dream kitchen. When you get your kitchen, you can add or subtract whatever you think you may not want to have to be in the kitchen. So this kitchen is spacious. You can actually do more magic in this kitchen and bring out that sumptuous meal out from the kitchen. So here you have your island, spacious. There's pantry for you in this kitchen. There's an exit door also. Very spacious, very spacious. The kitchen is very spacious. So should we just, okay, let's see the visitors room. This is the visitors room. Visitors room is spacious as well. So the light is not up, so you may not really see the beauty of the house. Of course, you know it's in Ikeja GRA and you know what it means. We have 2 units here. Like I said, one is gone. It's just remaining this one. Most of the houses you come to in Ikeja, some people buy it when the house is not yet completed. People take that risk because they know the price will be a bit low then compared to when the house is fully completed. Or when the house is going to another stage to stay. You know how building of houses is stages by stages. So when the house gets to another level, it will be expensive. So let's see the rooms upstairs. Work is still ongoing for the house. So the house is going to come finished, going to be painted for you. So they have a mini family lounge here. Mini family lounge here for you. So let me quickly do this video for my wonderful ballers and go back to scouting for house for that my client, because our client is actually is not happy at all concerning the house he just lost to someone else. So this is one of the rooms. We have one room downstairs and we have 4 rooms upstairs, which makes it a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex, aside from the boys quarter and the security house. So this is one room. We'll just quickly look at it. So this is the bathroom. Bathroom is spacious. The bathroom, all rooms comes in suites. Yes. So we have the penthouse. We've actually dropped some houses in Ikeja, which I did some analysis about Ikeja GRA. So if you want to know more about Ikeja GRA, you can actually go back to those videos. And we also have short-let apartments for you in Ikeja. You're coming for the holiday, vacation and the rest. Call us for your short-lets. Other properties on the island, mainland, we got you. We are your best plug. So this is another room. The area is very nice, good road network. Ikeja GRA. This house is in Ikeja GRA, not just in Ikeja. Fitted wardrobe, your toilet and bathroom, everything is in this house. I know you might be saying the house is not really showing that beauty. No, it is. It's because the light has not been fixed and work is still ongoing here in this house. If you look closely, there are so many rough work on the floor because they are still working on the house. The other one is gone already, so it's just remaining this one. So, and it's selling for 650 million naira. That's the price. It's selling this house, this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex is selling for 650 million naira. If you like this house, I know some people say the house is expensive. This is Ikeja GRA. 1 unit is sold. Someone else will buy this one. So yes, it's expensive. Being that they didn't really do much, I agree with you. I totally agree with you. It's expensive. But because it's a Ikeja GRA, and they know that yes, when you buy it, you can resell at a higher price. So they are not bothered about the price. Because they know someone else will come and somebody will buy it before, in no time, before you open it, within a twinkle of an eye. Someone is coming for this house and they are buying it. They are paying in full. So that's the net price of this house, 650 million naira. This is the master's suite, master bedroom. Yes, so you can actually create more wardrobe close to the bathroom. There's already a wardrobe for you here in this master suite. I'm just saying, if you need more wardrobe for madam, you can actually create more wardrobe. So this is the wardrobe for you. So you see there's a wardrobe. I'm just saying you can actually make more wardrobe. So if you like this house, you know anybody that like the house, you can share to them. Tell them there's a 5-bedroom fully detached in Ikeja GRA selling for 650 million naira. Yes, if this house were to be in another location, maybe it will not sell, or it may not sell for this price. But because this house is in Ikeja GRA, that's why it's selling for this price. When you're selling something, when it comes to real estate, location is number one, and the location here is highly appreciative. Is really, really, really appreciating. So give us a call. We have other ones here in Ikeja GRA. Houses in Ikeja are very scanty. They are not up to 10 or 7 rather. So if you want Ikeja GRA, you know you want to buy, give me a call. Let's see if we can get something for you here in Ikeja GRA. Thank you.